morning. Well, not good morning because it's already like 3 p.m. But I've been up since, I don't know, ¿a qué hora nos levantamos?
A las 8, ¿verdad?
We've been up since like 9 a.m. We went to the beach. As you can see, I'm wearing the same thing that I was wearing yesterday, because yesterday when we went to the beach, it was really windy and we didn't get into the beach. It wasn't even sunny. But today was the same thing, so. But yeah, now we are leaving the beach. It's like 2. It's like 2. We're gonna go out and eat. And then after that, I think we're gonna chill in the pool. We're gonna go to the pool. And yeah, I think that's gonna be everything.
Hi guys, soy la hermana. I'm her sister. So we're going. Right now we are in the car. We're going to Chili's.
Chili.
Chili's. And that's it. That's all, right? Okay. See you there. Bye.
Okay, so like I was saying, we went to Chili's to eat. Everything is great. We took a few drinks, we ate, everything great. So now we're back home. I'm gonna take a shower, put some moisturizer on the skin, clean my hair, and I'm really tired, so I probably take like a nap, or I'm trying not to, so I can go to sleep like a decent hour for tomorrow to wake up early. I I went to sleep like 6 a.m. and I woke up like around 8, 9. So yeah, I'm a little bit tired. So we're gonna do that, and I think I was gonna do something else today, but I don't remember. I guess when I remember, I'll tell you. But right now, we're gonna take a shower.
Look at him. And Nene.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, first, don't come at me because he's dirty, because I gave him a bath every time that I can. Well, not every time, like once a month. But he's a bad cat and he runs away. And when he comes back all dirty. So it's not on me, okay? I explained to him he doesn't like taking a bath. Like, he's not bad at baths, but he doesn't like it. And I told him, I was like, this is happening because of you and your own actions. If you wouldn't go out of the house, this wouldn't happen to you. But he continues going out of the house. So none of me, guys. Okay? Okay. So besides that, good morning. Today's Monday. And I'm ready to go to work. I have my Star Wars shirt on and some black pants and my Nikes. Ooh. Yes.
Big stretch, Nene. Big stretch. Niño precioso. ¿Por qué estás tan asqueroso, ah? Asquerosito. Ven, nene. A ver, ¿qué tienes en la cara? Tu hermosa cara, eso es lo que tienes.
Okay, so I wear contact lenses just in this eye because my cornea is a scratch in these eyes, so on this side I look really blurry, so I just use this one, and it's like a special one. Case. There we go. Let me check for bubbles. Okay, no bubbles, everything good. If he has a bubble on it, I have to take it out because it looks blurry either way. So since I'm going to my boyfriend's house, I'm gonna take this contact lens case with a little bit of solution in here so I can take it out. And I'm gonna take this little thing. This, and we're done. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Okay, let's go. Hello guys, it's 8 p.m. I went to work. I was there until like 5 something, and then I left and I came to my boyfriend's house. I was listening, I wanted to do an update before, but I was listening to one of my best friends on a radio show in Venezuela, so I was listening to that, you know, supporting and all of that. She's amazing. Oh my god, I'm doing a lot of noise with those hangers. So she's amazing, the program was amazing, and now I'm here in my boyfriend's bathroom because I'm about to take my contact off because it's already bothering me. And I want it off. But before I took it off, I was like, I put it on camera, I'ma take it off on camera. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do some homework, just make sure that I have everything good for the rest of the week. I don't have a lot of homework, I hope so, but that's what I'm gonna see right now. And then I'll just be heading home because tomorrow's the same thing. So you literally can see my contact, okay? So I'm gonna put it in this little guy, and then when I get home, I'm gonna put it on the one that he belongs. So to put my contact, I use this one. Is a plunger. You know, you put the contact in here, and then you just put it like that, like so. And to take it out is this one. I don't know. Not me being a beauty guru. Is this one. So it's gonna be a little bit hard to do it in here, but let's see if I can do it. Oh my god. No, where you at? There we go. Okay. The video was awful. So, like I was saying, why are you going blue? I don't want you to go in blue. Okay, the video is literally blue, but we're gonna have to work with it because it doesn't want to change to a normal color. So blue it is. And there we go. And that's it. Now I'm just gonna remember to put it back where it goes when I get home. That was awkward. I tried not to make eye contact with him, but it was awkward. What I was gonna say? Yeah, so good morning, Tuesday. We're on the way to the work, to the job. And after that, we're going to the movies with the family because they want to go and see and watch Sing 2. So we're gonna do that, and I guess it's gonna be the whole day. I don't know what to tell you. I just remember that I forgot something that my mom left me so I can eat. Oh my god, there's someone else coming. Give me 1 second. Hey guys, good morning. This time it is morning because I'm gonna tell you right now. It is 9:22. Yes. So I woke up a little bit more early because I had a meeting with the career advisor of my school, but at 10 it was like 15 minutes, so it wasn't gonna be that long. But I had a meeting, and yesterday my boss was asking me like, oh, can you come a little bit earlier? And I was like, you know what, like I could, but I have this meeting. And she was like, okay, then come after the meeting. So I'm here waiting for the meeting to happen, right? I'm getting ready and everything. And she emailed me saying like, it's canceled. And I'm there like, it's canceled. Okay, thank you. Okay, awesome. I'm gonna tell you guys, I love my cars being white. But one thing that I hate, let me sit you up. I'm gonna sit you up for now. One thing that I hate, they get so nasty so fast. And right now, I don't have the money to go to the car wash as often as I want. Okay, so my car interrupted me. How rude. Okay, a little bit of the hole. I bought an empanada. Such a waste to give in this bag, in this container, but whatever. Ham and cheese, empanada, and I bought, don't judge me, I bought a whole sub because maybe I'm gonna eat it later, because I don't like, I eat around 12, so around 5 I'm already hungry, and that time is not even dinner time. So when I get to my house, they haven't eat yet, so I don't want anyone to see me eating and be like, oh, you're always eating. So spare myself that, and I'll just, I'm just gonna take my sup. Okay, so I think I said this before, but I'm going to Justin Bieber concert next month, and I need to find an outfit. I kind of want to shop it from Shein, but at the same time, I don't know, because I don't know when it's gonna get here. My mother-in-law, she bought things in Shein and it got to her in 15 days, like in 2 weeks, which is amazing because my concert is not until April 13. But yeah, I don't know. Like, good morning, guys. Why is it not going? I don't understand. Good morning, guys, and this time it is good morning because it's 9:34. I'm going really late to my school. Well, not really late, like 4 minutes late, but either way it's late. And you know why? Because yesterday, I want you to guess at what time did I wake up. I'm gonna let you guess. If you guess 3 in the morning, yes, I went to sleep at 3 in the morning doing homework. You know the funny part? The funny part is, like, I woke up this morning and I was like, I forgot to do the homework that it was for today. I did the rest of my homework, but I forgot to do the one that it was for today. The traffic was almost 50 minutes from my house to my school, but hey, we made it. And obviously, since I was already gonna be late, I stopped at Dunkin' because we love Dunkin'. We stand Dunkin'. Amazing. Also have food. Okay, I'm editing the vlog of last week that's gonna come up this week, and I need to stop telling you guys that I'm gonna film because I never do. Like I said on my last vlog, I'm a A+ procrastinator. So when I say that I'm gonna film, then another stuff come up and I ended up not doing it. And then I do it like literally one day before that I had my deadline in my head. Like, I'm sorry. I think you're blurry. Give me 1 second. Oh my god, yes you were. So much better. Now you can see all my acne. Okay. So I'm gonna stop telling you what I'm gonna do, like video wise, because I'm a procrastinator. We've already established that, so we're gonna keep that. That's gonna be my brand, procrastinator, but gets the job done the last day at the last time, and it comes out amazing. Okay, yeah, that was everything because I was getting frustrated with myself. I was saying like, oh, I'm gonna film my Batman review, and literally today or yesterday I said I haven't filmed it and I need to film it. I think today I said that I'm gonna film it tomorrow. So imagine that. This is on Saturday. We're on Thursday. Well, almost Friday. How is that even possible? Okay, that was everything. Hey guys, good afternoon. I have been up since 11ish. So we went to the barbecue, right? We went to the barbecue and now we're leaving. Wait, give me 1 second. Okay, so like I was saying, we're leaving. It's 3:19 and we left because like there's like, oh my god, there's this storm coming and I'm like almost an hour away from my house, so I'd rather be in my house when the storm comes. You get me? So I'm driving back to my house. I hate driving in the rain. I hate it. It gives me anxiety. I don't like it. Okay, last update of the day. I took a nap of like 2 hours, which was amazing. I was tired. And then my boyfriend came over. We were watching this hilarious series called Murderville. It's amazing. It was so funny. I haven't finished it, but it's amazing. And now we're walking to his car because there wasn't parking near my house. So now we're walking to his car and I'm gonna stay over at his house. And that's everything. So thank you again for watching the vlog. For the 8 people that watch my vlog. Holy fucking shit. To the 8 people that watch my vlog. Thank you. You're great. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next week. Bye.